Come here. Get away. Get away from. Get out! Get away! No, 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 no. Leave me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No, don't come in. Don't come in.
Dad, it's me. I've got your dinner.
No.
You said curry was your favorite. Since you're staying with us for a bit, I want you to be happy. Look, we don't need to talk or anything.
No, don't. Now, quickly.
What?
You look perfect. How depressing.
Good evening, Cody. Ready when you are.
You start. I'm just going to turn my camera off a sec.
The God's Hand Archipelago boasts some of the most beautiful sights in the North Pacific Ocean.
Certains des plus beaux sites de l'océan Pacifique Nord.
Perhaps none more so than its largest island,
L'exemple le
Nepus.
plus frappant est
However,
sans doute sa plus grande
despite
île.
this, there is very little development on the island.
Cependant,
and
celle-ci
no
est encore
tourism.
très sauvage et n'accueille que peu de touristes.
The Niimbato Hotel Group, in conjunction with Quinton Engineering, is proposing the development of the Iowa Well Cove site into a luxury 35-room hotel,
Un
spa,
hôtel de luxe avec 35 chambres, un spa
and scuba diving complex.
et des services de plongée avec masques et scaphandres.
Our consultation period has already begun, and we know that you will be as committed as we are to bringing this project to fruition with the minimum disruption to the natural landscape and wildlife of this beautiful
De la
bay.
faune et la flore de cette magnifique baie.
Our preliminary planning application is before the God's Hand Island Council, and we hope that you will join us in making our proposition the best it can be for the local economy and employment prospects, so that construction can begin early next year, ready to open our doors the following year.
Et une promesse de création d'emplois pour que les travaux puissent commencer au début de l'année prochaine et que ce nouveau complexe ouvre ses portes l'année suivante.
We hope to, I will welcome you soon.
Le chef de projet joue sur le nom de la crique Iwawel et le mot anglais welcome qui signifie bienvenue pour souligner son désir de vous souhaiter la bienvenue très bientôt au sein de l'hôtel.
Right, let's have a little look then, shall we?
Well, I forgot the word for scuba diving and
Yeah, because that's a word you hear every day.
I tried to keep up the pace, but I wasn't fast enough.
He was talking really fast. Look, there was a golden half second there where I really thought you had it. You were getting the gist across, nice, simple, and quick. And then you went straight back to trying to get it exactly right.
Can we do another one?
What? No.
Please, your advice is so valuable to me. I know I can do better.
You know what I think? I think you should cut yourself a break. This is interpreting, not translation. You don't have to be word fucking perfect. There isn't time. Speaking of which, what was that?
Nothing.
Okay, give me 15 minutes to clear some emails, then let's get this shift started.
What's the matter?
I'm just down the hall trying to be professional and you're banging on the walls.
I'm sorry.
I can't hear you, this is stupid. Dad, come on, this is ridiculous. You need to come out.
I can't. I don't want to put you and the baby in danger.
Then why did you come here?
Because Piers has gone off to that place.
Le pouce? Il a même pas été encore sur l'île. Le pouce, he's not even been on the island yet.
But when he does, he will come back with them, and we have got to be ready.
Dad, there is no curse.
So, I'm just a crazy person then, is that it?
I think your evil spirits would go away if you listened to your doctor. You're not well, Dad.
At least that's honest.
I'm just worried it's getting worse.
Well, they must have heard about your fiancé's development. How is Piers?
He's fine.
How are you? And the baby?
My health is not the issue. Please don't change the subject.
Fine. Look, I only ask so much because I know what you went through to get pregnant. But you're all right. They are getting stronger, and there is only so much that I can do to stop them. And, you know, I keep falling asleep after meals, and that isn't helping. I want you to lock me in.
What?
I can't resist them for much longer, and God knows what happens when I'm asleep. I need you to lock me in. I don't want to hurt you.
Fine. I'll lock you in.
Good. I just hope it's enough.
I need to go back to work.
Are you translating to French or that Lapousse language?
The fact that I speak Canard makes me very employable.
Nah. That language is dangerous, and so is that island.
Fine. You don't like Le Pouce, but could you at least just try to be normal? At least long enough for me to finish my shift.
I will do whatever I need to do to keep us all safe.
Good night, Dad. Try to get some sleep.
Yeah, sleep is the last thing I should be doing at night.
Hey, gorgeous. How's it going?
Yeah, good.
Good. You mean Cody's not being a pain?
Well, actually, she wants me to cut myself a break, so...
Yeah, well, she'd be interpreting for the United Nations if she was so great. Don't worry about Cody. We both know you work best under pressure.
Anything new with you?
The investors want more site surveys that they don't want to pay for, and the locals want us to leave, but they also want us to give them jobs.
I'm sure you'll sort it all out.
I absolutely will. Is your father still in our house?
Yeah,
Any better?
not really.
That security system's the best investment I ever made. Just keep feeding him his meds, okay? You'll be fine. It's not much longer now. I'll get this project sorted, and then the three of us will be out on the Pouce. No time.
Well, my dad has vowed never to set foot on that island again.
What? No. The three of us. You, me, and our little IVF miracle in there?
Oh.
You tell me you're still pregnant.
Yes, we, of course. The three of us.
Laura Lynn, I have a treat for you.
What is it?
It's good, right?
Honestly?
You hate it, don't you? fail.
Pierce, can we be serious for a moment? Do you think the rumors are true? The curse?
No, no way. Everything on the island's been smooth sailing.
Yeah, I guess.
I mean, I know you do a lot with the local people because of your languages, but come on. Evil spirits protecting the plant life? Oh, I've got to go. Take it easy, okay? That's our little prince in there, and I'll speak to you later. Love you.
You're in demand tonight. 2 calls. Both need someone who can speak Kanar.
Perfect.
I've got a call between 2 businessmen. Someone called Teron. Wants someone to authenticate a book before he buys it. And at the same time, I've got a kid who wants to speak to his mother. I think they're estranged. He says he knows you. Max Vito?
Oh, I know Max. I'm teaching him Canard.
I guess you want Max then.
Sounds like the other one would be better for my career, no? I'll take the business call then. Please, Cody.
Okay, I'll put you on. I'll be popping in and out to monitor, as usual. Remember, you don't need to be perfect.
Bonsoir. Bienvenue chez Glossalingua. Avez-vous déjà utilisé nos services?
Oui. On m'a dit que vous saviez lire le canard.
Oui.
C'est un rare don, de ce côté du globe.
Merci. Good evening, my name is Laura Lynn. I'm an interpreter with Glossalingua. One of our account holders would like to speak with you. Are you willing to accept the call?
Yep.
Connecting you now.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How was your flight?
Yes, well, okay. Voilà. J'ai bien peur qu'on ait atteint les limites de mes
And that
capacités.
is
hein.
the extent of my English, I'm afraid.
Right. Well, never mind. Good morning.
Bonjour, enfin bonsoir.
Ah, bonsoir.
Good evening.
Yeah, evening. I meant evening. Well, anyway, shall we crack on?
Eh bien, commençons.
I received your
J'ai
email.
bien reçu
Just
votre
wanted to
email.
know
J'aimerais
how
savoir
you
comment
became
vous
aware
avez
that I
appris
had
que je
this
l'ai su.
title.
Mais en effet, je l'ai bien.
It's a very valuable and
C'est un bien
treasured
très
possession,
précieux et d'une grande valeur sentimentale.
but I may be
Je
persuaded
pourrais
to part
accepter de m'en
with it.
séparer,
Give me my price.
mais seulement au juste prix.
Je comprends bien. Mais avant tout, je
I
me
understand,
demandais si je
but
pouvais
before we
l'avoir.
continue too far, I wonder, may I see it?
Anyone would think you don't trust me.
On pourrait croire que vous ne me faites pas confiance.
Ce n'est pas du tout ça.
Not at all.
There we are.
Magnifique.
It's beautiful.
It's expensive.
Il coûte cher,
Évidemment.
of course.
J'aimerais savoir, Monsieur Vito, si vous seriez prêt à me
I would be
raconter
curious, Mr.
l'histoire
Vito, if you would oblige me with the story of how you happened to come by this book.
Eh?
Je vous demande pardon.
I beg your pardon?
What's he say?
Qu'est-ce qu'il dit?
Qu'est-ce que j'ai dit? Mais j'ai dit que je serais curieux de connaître l'histoire de comment
I
vous
said
avez
I
dîné chez
would
ce
love to learn the story
Of
of...
the story. There's this French missionary, 18th century or
Alors, au
whatever,
XVIIIe siècle, ou quelque chose
he
comme
sent
ça,
out to
un
God's Hand
missionnaire
Island
français a été envoyé aux îles de
to
God's Hand
convert the
pour
locals to
convertir la
Christianity.
population locale.
3 years later, he returns to
Il retourna
France
en
preaching
France,
about
il
how they
commença à
know more
raconter
about
que
hell
les
than he
habitants
ever
de l'île
did,
en savaient plus
and that
sur
evil
l'enfer que
spirits would
lui-même,
follow him.
et qu'il était poursuivi par de mauvais esprits.
Excusez-moi, mademoiselle, notre interprète Lauraline, puis-je vous demander ce qui pose problème? Je ne me fais pas assez bien comprendre.
Oh non, je suis vraiment désolée. J'essaye de rester, j'essaye de rester très précise dans mon interprétation, mais je crois que cela embrouille Monsieur Vito.
Ah, vous êtes trop précise. C'est bien ça le problème. Bah, c'est plutôt moi qui ne suis pas assez clair, non?
Oh, non, ce n'est vraiment pas à moi d'en juger. Pardon.
Ne vous inquiétez pas, je n'ai l'habitude. Un de mes collègues me le dit tout le temps. Alors, bon, je vais essayer de rester concis. Et vous, restez précise. J'apprécie la précision. S'il vous plaît, pouvez-vous me dire
Please,
d'où vient
will you
ce
tell me where this book came from?
Maybe later.
Peut-être plus tard.
D'accord.
Ok.
Est-ce que je pourrais voir le colophon? Thank you.
Excusez-moi, Monsieur Théron, Lauraline ici. Est-ce que vous voulez bien répéter? Vous avez dit colophon. Je vais être sûre de ne pas me tromper.
C'est un terme technique. C'est la même chose en anglais.
Oh,
Monsieur Vito saura ce que je veux dire.
d'accord. Merci. Mais ici de colophon.
Colophon. What's that? What's colophon?
Monsieur Théron seemed to think you would know what it meant.
Ask the internet.
What?
Hurry up.
Containing the publisher's mark and copyright and printing information, typically at the front of the book.
Thank you. There you are.
Le voilà.
Superbe.
Excellent.
Je voulais juste vous dire, Lauraline, que j'apprécie beaucoup vos efforts. J'accorde vraiment beaucoup d'importance à la précision.
What's he saying?
Oh, it's hard to hear. I don't think he's expecting me to interpret.
Est-ce que je pourrais voir une page de texte?
May
Une
I
page
see
avec
a
du
page
canard.
full of text, something with canard?
Here we are.
Lisez juste en canard, s'il vous plaît. Je n'ai pas besoin de traduction.
Kianem opum palusi, leva muva juko, tolo yuti deju rembula, itg, itg, itg.
Was that what you were hoping for?
Est-ce que c'est ce que vous cherchez?
Oui, tout à fait.
Yes, it was.
Merci. C'était parfait. Bon, j'ai besoin de réfléchir un peu. Ne vous inquiétez pas.
I
Je
need
vous
to
assure
think
que
about
je
this.
veux acheter
Have no
le
fear,
livre,
I am
mais
now very
je
serious
ne-
about buying this book, but I have
Rendez-vous
another
à
appointment
l'instant.
now.
Est-ce que je peux vous
Can
rappeler
I
dans une heure?
call you in an hour?
Oh, it's a little late over here.
C'est-à-dire qu'il est déjà assez tard ici.
Je peux faire en sorte que cela en vaille
I
vraiment
can
la
make
peine.
it very worth your while.
Okay,
D'accord,
1 hour.
1 heure.
I'm not staying up any
Je
later.
n'attendrai pas plus longtemps.
Très bien, merci.
Of course. Thank you.
Tout à l'heure.
Until then.
Alors, ça fait longtemps que vous êtes traductrice?
Interprète. Je ne suis pas vraiment traductrice.
Je vois. Eh bien, dites-moi si vous avez des problèmes. Le kanar est une langue sacrée qui a été inventée pour communiquer avec les esprits. Ça peut créer des problèmes chez certaines personnes.
Ça va aller. Merci. Oh non. Papa?
내려와 넌주 일체조 일체조 일체조
Monsieur Théron.
Je m'excuse, mais je n'ai pas beaucoup de temps à vous consacrer. Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Comme vous le savez, le kanar est une langue sacrée utilisée autrefois uniquement pour s'adresser aux esprits. Eh bien, je crois que j'ai dérangé de vieux esprits tout à l'heure.
Ça, c'est très curieux.
Mon père ne va pas bien. Et après notre appel, une chose étrange s'est produite. Une ombre est apparue et il s'est mis à marcher comme s'il était sous l'emprise de quelque chose.
Et vous pensez que c'est à cause du passage que vous avez lu en kanar?
Bien sûr, je vois pas d'autre explication.
pas sûr. C'est vrai qu'on entend des histoires étranges de personnes qui auraient eu des comportements anormaux après avoir entendu parler de canards, mais je n'y ai jamais trop cru.
Pourquoi voulez-vous acheter ce livre?
Bonne question.
Pardon, désolée, je ne voulais pas être indiscrète.
Pas de problème. Je mets ça sur le compte de votre curiosité intellectuelle. Écoutez, je suis désolé, mais je vais devoir...
Attendez, s'il vous plaît, vous voulez bien m'aider?
Les légendes de la région disent que les esprits ne peuvent pas se manifester sans la présence de la mangrove.
Et alors?
Alors, le livre de Monsieur Vito est à Londres. J'imagine que vous aussi?
Oui, mais c'est mon père qui le hante.
Écoutez, je ne suis pas en train de vous dire que je comprends ce qui se passe. Mais si l'on en croit les légendes, une solution pourrait être de détruire ce livre. Ce qui veut dire qu'idéalement, vous voulez que j'achète un livre pour que vous puissiez y mettre le feu. Ça, ce n'est pas quelque chose que j'ai particulièrement envie de faire.
Vous vous sauveriez vous aussi. Imaginez ce qu'il aurait pu arriver si vous aviez acheté ce livre et si vous l'aviez lu.
C'est vrai. Bon, c'est d'accord. On doit le détruire. Mais je ne peux pas vous promettre des ressources inépuisables. Hein. Si le livre est trop cher, nous serons tous les deux coincés. Bon, il faut que je me prépare avant de parler à Vito. Je vous rappelle dans quelques minutes.
Oui.
Ok.
Merci.
Hello.
Good evening.
Yes. Good evening.
J'aimerais commencer, si vous me permettez. par
I'd
vous
like to
rappeler
start,
votre
if I
promesse.
may, by reminding you of your promise.
Oh.
Oh,
Bon, je suis conscient du fait que. il y a une
now
petite
I'm aware that
chance, sans
maybe
vouloir
there
vous
is
offenser,
just the smallest of possibilities.
je peux pas
I don't want to
m'empêcher de
offend
penser
you,
que
but
ce livre a peut-être
it
pris un
struck
chemin
me
un
that
peu
perhaps that book
détourné
took a somewhat
d'arriver entre vos mains.
circuitous route into your possession.
You what?
Ce qui veut dire que si vous n'avez pas la paperasse nécessaire à la vente
That
de
is
ce
to
livre,
say, if you lack the full
conviendrait que
paperwork
cela
for
se
this
ressente
item,
dans le
it
prix.
should be reflected in the price. Lauraline here. Monsieur Théron wants to know if the book is stolen.
You can tell him that it's not stolen, and I resent the
Ce livre
implication.
n'a pas été volé et je n'apprécie pas vos sous-entendus.
Je ne voulais pas vous offenser.
Oh, I didn't mean to offend.
Really?
En revanche, intéressant de constater que vous ayez immédiatement pensé que je vous accusais de vol.
Anything else? I was
Bon,
under the
vous avez
impression that we
d'autres
had a
questions?
deal, that you
Vous
were
aviez dit que
satisfied.
vous étiez prêt à acheter. Je pensais que ça voulait dire que vous étiez satisfait.
Presque. Vous voudriez bien me montrer les
Very
conditions
nearly.
du livre.
Would you mind showing me what
pouvez
condition
juste
the
me
book
montrer
is
à
in?
la caméra.
Just hold it up to the camera.
J'aimerais surtout voir la tranche.
Monsieur Théron is asking to see the slice.
The slice. Ask the internet.
Okay. I'm sorry, nothing's coming up.
Tout va bien.
Everything all right?
Yeah, fine.
Oui.
Ask Mr. Tyrone why he wants to see the slice.
Pourquoi voulez-vous voir la tranche?
Je veux voir s'il y a un symbole
I want
peint
to see
dessus.
if there's a design painted on it.
There isn't.
Il n'y en a pas.
Vous en êtes sûr?
Are you sure?
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolument.
Parfait. Bon, je ne sais pas ce que vous en pensez, monsieur.
Excellent.
Vito, mais
I
je
don't know
pense
how you
qu'on
feel,
peut
Mr. Vito, but
arriver à
I
un
think
accord.
we can make a deal.
Great.
Très bien.
Ça va?
Yes, ça va, I'm fine. Where were we?
Indiquez votre prix, monsieur Vito.
Name your price, Monsieur Vito.
My price is 5 million Le Pouce francs.
Mon prix est 5 millions de francs le pouce.
Je pense qu'on peut trouver un accord.
I think we can make a deal.
Excellent.
Mais peut-être pas celui que vous
But
croyez.
perhaps not in the way you think.
Je sais d'où vient ce livre. Il y a une famille.
I know
Dubois.
where this book comes from. There's a Dubois family on the pouce with a very peculiar family crest.
Ils ont perdu leur exemplaire de ce livre il y a quelques années. dans
They
des
lost their
circonstances
copy a few years ago
mystérieuses.
under unusual circumstances.
What do you want?
Qu'est-ce que vous voulez?
Je vous propose 200 000 francs.
Counter offer 200,000 francs.
No way.
Hors de question.
Ça serait dommage.
It would be a shame, Mr. Vito, would it not, if the Dubois were to suddenly find out about the whereabouts of their precious heirloom?
She'd never sell.
Elle ne le vendrait jamais.
Pas ça, je sais.
Oh, I know.
D'où mon offre plus que
Hence
généreuse.
my very generous offer.
You are aware that you're blackmailing me in front of
Réalisez
a
que vous me faites
witness.
du chantage devant un témoin.
Je ne vous ai accusé de rien.
I have accused you of nothing.
Alors, est-ce que vous êtes d'accord?
So, do we have a deal or do we not?
Deal.
C'est d'accord.
J'ai besoin que vous me l'envoyiez par coursier ce soir. Je peux vous.
I
envoyer
need
le
it couriered
détail par
tonight.
mail.
We can email the details.
Money first.
L'argent d'abord.
Bien sûr.
Absolutely.
Bonne nuit, monsieur Vito.
Good night, Mr. Vito.
It's morning.
C'est le matin ici.
Good morning.
Twat.
Okay. Right.
The book is on its way.
Non, non, non. Papa? Non! Police, please. Allô? Allô? Okay. Dad? Protect Palusi. Stop destructing humans. Protect the great tree. Stop the human destroyers. What? Can you repeat? Perrier. Perrier Kawa. You help us. Me? I'm not helping you.
We are you when
You pulled us.
Tovis.
You are our vessel. Bulaui Pilamenhenko.
Hake Palusi Lokon Supej.
Protect the great trees, stop the human destroyers. Pierce, you want me to stop Pierce and the development?
In Honkaji.
You help us? No, I didn't mean to call you. It was a mistake. Sevori.
In Honkaji.
You will help us, or we will end those loved by you. And Henko de jour.
Activo Sebele Liv. Laurelyn?
Dad,
What's happening?
don't worry, I've sorted it. Get some rest. Everything is going to be okay.
Laurelyn? What is it? What's going on?
I need you to stop the building project.
What? Why? Is everything okay? Laurelyn?
I'll tell you, but I need you to believe me.
Okay, you need to calm down. Just. I'm happy to believe you. Just tell me what it is. Are you okay?
The pulse curse is real.
Laurelyn?
You said you'd believe me.
Oh, come on. It's one thing, all this with the Islanders, but you two? I really don't need this.
Maybe they have a point. They've attacked Dad. They've attacked me. You need to give in on this, Pierce. Just stop the project. You're the only one who can.
You know, I knew working these night shifts was a bad idea while you were pregnant.
What?
You need to get some rest.
No.
You're being hysterical. I'll square it with Cody.
No!
I have to get back to a meeting. I'll have my sister come over and spend a couple nights with you. Love you, babe. Get some rest.
I need to call Pierce.